Hi Colorado, this is Clee Crocker. I'm here at Appliance Factory. I want to go over some really good deals with you today, and the first thing I want to talk to you about is this JennAir range. This is probably the deal of the century here. As you know, real pro style ranges, they cost a lot of money. They're up there $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, $10,000. This one here costs $78.99, and it's made by JennAir. It's really an exclusive offering that they have for us, and I'm really happy about it. It's $49.99, just like you see it. They're in stock. You can actually call the store up or go online or come into the store. Any one of those things, you could actually have this today. They are in stock and they are ready to go. So just contact your nearest appliance factory and they'll get you set up. This is the JDRP 536 WP. So what's special about this? Well, first of all, it's got a 20,000 BTU burner. It's got some gusto on there. That means you're gonna come to boil real fast. It's got simmer that starts at 5,000 BTU. So it's got that gentle heat that's gonna take care of things without burning that sauce you worked on all day. And you can turn it down so that it just keeps warm and not continues to cook. It's got a griddle. Now, griddles are an upgraded feature. So this is something, if you like to cook your eggs on them in the morning, you like to do some hash browns in the morning, whatever. This is a griddle just like what you see in the restaurant. So it's really, really nice piece. I think you're really gonna like it. And the other thing is it's really large. So when I take a look inside there, you can see that's a huge inside. It's plenty big enough to handle whatever you want. But one of the great things I like about it, when I take out its top two racks, look at this at the bottom. It's got these ball bearings on its rack where it just gently rolls out. So now you don't have to worry about sending that turkey or big roast you worked on all the way across the floor because you had to jerk it out, right? So it's really nice and convenient. Inside, it features two convection fans. These are true convection. That means they've got heating elements around them. What that does for you is it actually will wrap the meat in heat, sears the outside, and it makes the inside really, really juicy. I mean, it's just a beautiful piece. $78.99, now $49.99. And they're in stock and ready to go today at Appliance Factory. Now, to sweeten the deal, what Appliance Factory has done, they're gonna throw in a free dishwasher. So it's a JennAir dishwasher. So buy this at $49.99 and you'll be able to take home a dishwasher with it, which is also in stock and ready to go today. So that's pretty cool. Great buy. I recommend it to everybody.